A lot of people are asking me, why do you need to study in Canada if you can immigrate directly? So if you're confused whether you're going to proceed with your express entry or study path, then this video is for you. So it's Friday once again. It's me again, Coach MC, your SME planner, Study, Live, Explore Canada. And our mission is to help you, international student, with an easy and actionable guide towards your Canadian dream. So if you're with me, make sure that you subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video so more international students will see this here in YouTube. For those people asking me why I studied and not immigrated directly, your question is actually valid. But I have my own reasons why I opted to study instead of immigrating directly. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my reasons, and probably you will learn from it and will help you decide whether you're going to proceed or not. So let me share a quick story with you guys. So I was in Dubai. At first, I went to this agency and this agency calculated my scores. I don't have any idea about Canada during that time. So they said I have 411 and they insisted I should sign up now. So I was like, oh my god, so I'm eligible now. And they said that you should not miss this opportunity. But here's the catch. I want to share with you the reason number one why I did not sign up. So after that meeting, we went home and then I immediately did my research. So I need to know like how you come up with 411 points for my CRS. So I found out that they maxed out my English proficiency. So they selected CLB9, which is like the highest one for the English exam. So I want to have that CLB9. However, English is my second language. Like not everyone can get CLB9. So for me, there's no assurance that I can get 411 points unless I will get the CLB9. So the next day, they sent a follow-up like, hey ma'am, you don't want to miss this opportunity, you should sign up now. And I said like, okay, let me get back to you by end of the day, I just need to check something. So what I did next was to check the CRS cutoff score. And then I found out during that time, 2016, the cutoff score was like 435, 240, 250. And then, how can I even get in? There's no way I could get in. I was under 411 points, right? And there's no even, assurance that I could get those points. So now, okay, they just want me to sign up. I'm not even eligible. Yes, I am eligible under the eligibility points. I got the seat 67 points. I am eligible, but they're not gonna give me an invitation to apply. I will be just sitting in the express entry pool for 12 months and then waiting for nothing. But I want to pause right here. Do you see the power of my story? Do you learn from it? That's the power of mentorship. I'm sharing with you my experience so that you will learn from it and you will avoid some mistakes. And what we're doing right now, we have mentors that you can talk to, where you can ask them about the program or what school to go to or which province to choose and what are the jobs that you can get here after graduation. The power of mentorship is being recognized by Ventures PC. We are actually part of top 25 tech startup in British Columbia. That's a province-wide competition. So if you're interested to have a mentorship with us, make sure that you visit our website. But that moment, when I found out that I will not get it, I will not get the invitation to apply, I did not, wait for 2 years. I know some people waited for 2-3 years waiting for nothing. Right that moment when I realized that I would not get invited, that's the moment I said I need to look for an alternative pathway, and I found out student pathway. So I was like, okay, let's do this. I researched about the student pathway, and then there are like some downside of student pathway. You will spend about like 40,000 Canadian dollars for a 2-year program, and also you will lose your income. Basically, you're gonna work part-time during your studies. Imagine working part-time for 2 years. You don't have the full-time income. And another thing, it's risky as well. There's no guarantee that you're gonna get permanent residency after graduation. But I was so decided during that moment that I will make this work. So I have some savings. I said like, it's now or never. I immediately look for school. And you know what? That's like one of the decisions that I ever made in my life that I will never regret. I won't be here talking to you about it. I never regret going to Canada through student pathway. Number one, education helped me get a job. The diploma that I got from NCC. I got an accounting job, and that also increased my points in express entry so that I got higher points now, not 411, so I got around 450. So you have to know by now, like, where are you sitting at the moment? What's your score? What is the cutoff score? Are they even, getting candidates outside Canada? You should know it by now. And assess your funds. Do you have the capacity to study abroad? So now, my question for you, are you willing to take the risk of being an international student? Comment below, I want to hear from you. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned from it and help you decide whether you're gonna proceed with express entry or probably you want to study here. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you attend our live event every Wednesday and Friday, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!